channel. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. If you can hear Blippi in the background, I'm really sorry about that. But today's video is going to be a declutter slash clean out my fridge with me. We just moved into our new house and I have not cleaned the fridge or anything since the previous owner, like how they left it. It's just been how we've used it, so it definitely needs to be cleaned out. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so we also did just go grocery shopping this morning, so this is like perfect because our fridge is like fully stocked, so I can actually organize it before we go and stuff it again. So I think I'm just gonna start by taking everything out and then just kind of sorting it and cleaning it and finding it an actual spot. You never realize how much you have until you pull it all out. So what I did was, if I just saw that anything was empty, like I know that these aren't good anymore, I should have cleaned these out a while ago. We have like an empty pickle jar, old ranch. You want to say hi? Say hi. So yeah, I just pulled everything out. I already wiped this down. So good. So I'm just gonna start scrubbing it. So I'm just going to be going in with a rag and my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray and basil and just be scrubbing everything down and getting all the crumbs out. So I removed my vegetable and fruit drawers and I'm just going to be scrubbing them out with some soap and then putting them back in the fridge just to make sure that they're extra clean and don't have any gunk on them or anything like that. And now that everything is all wiped down, me and my little helper are gonna start putting everything back where it belongs. how I kind of sorted things was like in the door I did like objects, so I did the pickles right here. We have some jelly, we have some random sauces, and then right here I have all like kind of like condiments, ranch, you know, ketchup, mustard, mayo. I have my coffee creamer, Everly's almond milk, some things that we really don't use that often I just put down here in this little door so it's not cluttering anything up here. Up here I have eggs, so just in case Everly does come in the fridge, it's kind of harder for her to reach. We have like butter, her yogurts, like spaghetti sauce back there. And then in here, this drawer was a mess before, it's so much better. I guess that's what happens when you let your boyfriend put groceries away. So we just have lunch meats and all the cheese nice and organized. And then right here we have some adult beverages, some candy back there that I don't want her to see. All of our juice, we have juices right here, milk. Watch out, baby, you talking? And then right here we have all of our meats, so beef and chicken. Yeah, beef and chicken. Say it. Yeah, that's ketchup, mustard, coffee creamer. Then in here we have all of our fruits. We have raspberries and blueberries. Thank you. Can you open this one for me? Thank you. And then we have some salad and some broccoli. Yeah, broccoli. That just looks so much better. Now there's this whole open space right here. So the problem with this I found was I thought this stain was on top, but it's actually under the glass, and I'm not about to like move this whole thing up, so that's just, but like the surface is clean, so that's all I really care about. Yep. Vegetables. Say vegetables. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean out the fridge. That was honestly really good. It actually did not take long at all, so I'm sorry if this video was shorter, but I like just doing one thing like this in a video, just focusing on one thing. My little helper helped me quite a bit, taking things in and out of the fridge. Oh, just wait. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on all my social medias so you don't miss out on anything. Say thank you for watching. Say bye. Bye. Bye guys.